Understanding searching algorithms.
When locating specific data within large sets of information, from locating a name in a phone book to retrieving files on your computer, these algorithms form the backbone of countless digital experiences. Knowing how they work lets us appreciate their impact on the apps and services we use every day.
Search engines and web browsing.
Search engines like Google use advanced versions of searching algorithms to sift through billions of web pages and deliver relevant results in milliseconds. These algorithms scan massive indexes to match your queries, helping you quickly find news, websites, or facts online.
E-commerce product searches.
Online shopping platforms use searching algorithms to help users find products among thousands of listings. When you type in keywords or product names, the website's backend rapidly searches its inventory to suggest items, taking into account factors like popularity, relevance, and availability.
Database management systems.
Databases rely on searching algorithms to store, retrieve, and update information efficiently. For example, when banks process transactions or hospitals access patient records, searching algorithms quickly pinpoint the needed data from vast collections of information, ensuring accuracy and speed.
Everyday software and mobile apps.
Searching algorithms power common features in software and mobile apps. Whether you're finding a contact in your phone, searching emails, or looking for a song in a playlist, these algorithms make sure results pop up instantly, making digital tasks seamless and user-friendly.